2018 Jeep Compass is manufactured in Brazil, China, Mexico and India for consumers in more than 100 countries around the world. New for 2018, Jeep Compass Limited models now offer 4x2 driveline configuration. The most capable, all-new compact SUV. New features, with its launch for the 2017 model year. Premium, sculptural design with a wide stance and exceptional glass-to-wheel proportions. Legendary Jeep 7-slot grille sports a fresh approach that features a gloss black field with individual chrome outlines around each of the 7 individual slots. Available, painted gloss black roof contributes to a unique, premium appearance in the compact SUV segment. Sophisticated interior developed, with clean, sculptured forms, signature design elements, precise technical detail, high-quality materials, and state-of-the-art technology. Four systems, with 5.0, 7.0 and 8.4-inch touchscreen sizes. 4th generation, UConnect systems, provide a range of available hands-free communication, entertainment and navigation features, including new Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.
Well, Compass is really important for us for a number of reasons. Firstly, if you look at the C or compact SUV segment, on a global basis, about 6.3 million vehicles registered in 2016. So this segment is huge and very, very global, and that's going to help us fuel our international growth for the brand. But I think Compass has very distinct advantages. It represents everything that Jeep stands for. And as I say, Jeep is a very strong brand that is more than just product. It's about a spirit. It's about that spirit of adventure, and this vehicle really does reinforce that.
The launch of the all-new Compass is really important to the Jeep brand as we move forward and continue to expand not only here in the U.S. but globally. The new Compass will be manufactured in 4 plants across the world. We'll have 17 different powertrain combinations to meet the demands in those local markets. So we're really adapted the vehicle and can meet the demand but also meet the needs of the consumer in those local markets.
North American models, powered by the fuel-efficient 2.4-liter Tigershark, deliver superior fuel economy. Choice of 3 transmissions. Class exclusive, 9-speed automatic transmission, for 4x4 models. 6-speed, automatic transmission, for 4x2 models. 6-speed, manual transmission, for 4x2 and 4x4 models.